Hey guys, how's everyone doing today? Look what I have here. You know I absolutely love all of the RENPHO smart exercise equipment, and I have here a smart treadmill from RENPHO. I wanted to tell you a little bit about it today. Yes, I put this together all by myself. It was super easy. I literally had to use 4 screws, and I'm not the handyman, trust me. And as you can see, it's super compact, and I'll show you how it folds up and easily goes into a corner. But the beauty of the RENPHO smart treadmill is that it's actually app control. So I have here my phone, and all I had to do was download the RENPHO Health app, and I paired the treadmill with my Bluetooth. And I can control everything here on the phone. The auto inclines, there's actually 15 different programs. So for those of you who are looking for the convenience of treadmill in the comfort of your own home, if you don't like running outside, if you don't want to go to the gym and do cardio with a bunch of other people, here you have it. You can watch TV, you can talk to your friends on speakerphone, and you can see that it's tiny and compact, and it even has a safety key, which is kind of cool.